Shiny Ninja Turtles.
Yeah, Jerry brought those for you. Jerry brought those for you.
Look at those Ninja Turtles. Johnny's missing out right now. We're doing figurines. Like Marines. They simplify. Reading mic check 1, 2. Here we go. Hoo. Okay. So let's go to the channel of the microphone and go to the EQ. Okay? You follow me? Take out 160. Ooh. Hello, folks. I'm Johnny Cash. 160. Yes. I know. Yep. Well, we're gonna hold the house for 1 second. Let me get these monitors fixed, and then we'll go right back to you.
That's Tony, right?
Yeah, Tony. Hold off on the house system for 1 second. Just the stage.
That's your name, right, Tony?
Hey, can you translate to him? Tell him to turn it off. Can you turn off the house?
Tony.
Hello.
Antonio. Mute, yeah.
Thank you. 2.